Good morning, children. In English literature, today let us take page number 74. The title is Hedi. So, in this particular chapter, my dear children, I have been continuously explaining to you about the different names of goats and also this particular boy called Peter and the girl Hedi. They are both in the field side, in the hilly areas. They have taken the goats for grazing, and then in the hillside, what happens to them? You see, in the previous class, I explained to you that Peter is behind Greenfinch because this particular goat has gone astray, and then it is going here and there, and now this goat is facing danger. Now Peter has to save this particular greenfinch. So let us see in the last paragraph what happens to this particular goat. The last paragraph, page number 74. Hedi. All Peter could do was to throw himself down and hold on to one of her hind legs. See what Peter is doing now. See here, green finch. It is a goat. This particular goat has gone away from there, away from the crowd, away from the group. So what happened, you see? All Peter could do was to throw himself down. Throw himself down means he was just about to catch it, because this particular greenfinch was in danger. It was about, this particular goat also was about to fall in the ditch. Okay, now what Peter will do? Peter has to throw himself. It fell down, Peter fell down, and it caught the hind leg or behind leg of that particular goat. Hind legs, back legs or behind, see, back legs of that particular goat. So this particular Peter is saving this particular goat. Next line. Greenfinch, thus taken by surprise. The Greenfinch was amazed. Surprise. This one was too much amazed. Greenfinch was amazed, surprised, astonished. It might have thought that who is catching my leg from behind, from backside. So it is a surprise thing for Greenfinch. Next line. Began bleating, angry at being held so fast and prevented from continuing her voyage of discovery. Now you see, children, what happened to this particular goat? This particular goat was in a voyage. It was going and finding some new things. So it wanted to find in actually. So see here, this particular goat was in a voyage, in a journey. It was going somewhere in a journey. In other words, it was going to find out some grass. 1 second, you see. Greenfinch, thus taken by surprise, began bleating, crying. That particular goat started crying because it has gone astray. It has been separated from the other goats. Began bleating, angry at being held so fast. Someone is catching and Peter himself is catching from behind. So this goat is getting angry so fast and prevented from continuing her voyage. Prevented here, prevented, it stopped. It is not going forward. So prevented from continuing. It is not going forward. Continuing her voyage of discovery. See, discovery, finding something new. Discovering, finding new things. So this particular boat was going to find some new things, or it wanted to see the new places, the new hilly areas. So it was going forward. But now what happened? This particular goat himself is in danger. Now it is facing a lot of problems because it had to jump from one valley to another valley, one place to another place. So it was about to fall. Next time, she struggled to get loose. See, this particular Peter is holding so tightly that this particular goat was unable to make himself or make itself free, and kept on trying to leap forward. It wanted to jump forward, leap forward, leap, jump. It wanted to jump forward. It wanted to jump forward, but it could not. Peter shouted to Hedi to come and help him. So Peter is shouting to Hedi, please come over here and help me. I am in danger and Greenfinch is also in danger. So Peter is taking the help of Hedi. Next line. Peter shouted to Hedi to come and help him, for he could not get up and was afraid of pulling out the goat's leg together. So what happened, my dear children? This particular goat is in danger and Peter is also in danger. My dear children, I will continue in my next class. Thank you very much to everyone for paying attention.